Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on stopping Facebook from auto-playing videos. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open the Facebook app, then tap the three lines button from the bottom right menu. Scroll down to Settings and Privacy and open Settings. In Settings, scroll down to Preferences and select Media. Here is the Autoplay section. Select Never Autoplay Videos to turn the feature off completely. Videos on Facebook will no longer autoplay for you. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.